Hi, my name's David. I'm going to show you how to replace the check valve in your Jabsco model 17850-1012 oil pump. If you find that your pump is not sucking the oil out of your engine very well, it seems to get clogged easily, it may be that the check valve needs to be replaced. It looks like this, and it is part number 20407-021. And I understand that we need to start by removing these screws up here in the front. I've already removed the hose that attaches to this and the outlet valve. So next we're going to remove these screws and see what we find. Okay, there are 6 screws you remove. 3 down here and 3 up here. And this is what I found once I had removed them. Parts of the check valve are just totally clogged with gunk. So I'm going to remove this and insert the new one. It's a little bit stubborn, but this valve just lifts off of this. You'll have to play with it a little bit. It comes right off. And then we're going to take the new valve and set it into position here. You'll notice on the back side where this mates with the shaft and the motor, the shaft has a flat spot on it. So you've got to match it up with a flat spot on the receiving end. Then you can just push it onto the motor here, and then we're going to take the exterior cap and put that on and put back in the 6 screws. Pay attention, some of them are longer than others, so make sure you get them in the right screw holes. Okay, after you've got those 6 screws in, then you can reattach your outflow piece here and reattach your suction piece over here. I just hooked mine up to a 12-volt battery and it sucks a whole lot better than it was beforehand. So this should solve your problem if your Jabsco oil pump is not pumping very well. Good luck.